Carbon monoxide poisoning. Introduction. Carbon monoxide is created when a vehicle or an appliance burns fuel to create energy. Select true or false. Correct. Cars and trucks, lanterns, stoves, gas ranges, and heating systems can produce carbon monoxide. Only children and very old adults are at risk for CO poisoning. Select true or false. Correct. All people and animals are at risk for CO poisoning. People who are sleeping or intoxicated can die from CO poisoning before ever experiencing symptoms. Select true or false. Correct. CO poisoning is most often treated with oxygen. Select true or false. Correct. CO poisoning is treated with oxygen. Starting up the car in a garage without opening the door or taking the car outside can cause CO poisoning and death. Select true or false. Correct. Always open your garage door before starting your car. It is even safer to drive the car outside the garage to warm it up, particularly if the garage is attached to the house. Thank you for using Explain.